Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you something truly special, the Lexus LFR, the long-awaited successor to the legendary LFA. And let me tell you, this isn't just another supercar, it's a masterpiece of engineering designed to dominate both the road and the track. So buckle up, because we're about to break down everything you need to know about this beast.
Let's start with the design. The Lexus LFR takes inspiration from its predecessor, the LFA, but with a modern twist. The sharp, aggressive lines and low-slung profile scream performance. The aerodynamic elements aren't just for show. They're designed to keep this car glued to the track at high speeds. What do you think of the design? Does it live up to the LFA's legacy? Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the engine. The LFR is powered by a motorsport-ready bi-turbo V8 that produces over 700 horsepower. That's right, 700 plus horses. This engine is built to deliver insane acceleration and top-end speed, making it a true track weapon. Imagine hitting the throttle and feeling that raw power. What's the first place you'd drive this car? A winding mountain road or a racetrack? Drop your answer in the comments. With great power comes great responsibility, and the LFR handles it like a pro. Thanks to its advanced suspension system, carbon ceramic brakes, and lightweight construction, this car offers razor-sharp handling and precision. Whether you're on the track or the street, the LFR delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Do you think the LFR can compete with other supercars like the McLaren 720S or the Porsche 911 GT2 RS?
Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's both luxurious and driver-focused. High-quality materials, carbon fiber accents, and state-of-the-art technology make this car as comfortable as it is fast. The digital dashboard and infotainment system are sleek and intuitive, putting everything you need right at your fingertips. What's your favorite feature in a supercar interior? Is it the tech, the materials, or something else?
Now the big question, how much will the LFR cost? While Lexus hasn't officially announced the price, experts predict it'll be around $400,000. That's a hefty price tag, but for a car with this level of performance and exclusivity, it might just be worth it. If you had the money, would you buy the LFR or would you go for something else?
There you have it, the Lexus LFR, a worthy successor to the iconic LFA. From its jaw-dropping design to its monstrous bi-turbo V8 engine, this car is a true masterpiece. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.